Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I just got home from a vacation with my husband, and actually I leave on Thursday, today's Tuesday, to go away with my best friend. So we took my husband's truck on our trip, but I am taking my car up to Maine. So my car is in dire need of a clean, like a major clean out. Like, you guys are gonna be shocked and appalled when you see the state of my car. So I bought a few things which you guys saw in my last video, the June Plan and Clean with me, for my car. So if you didn't see that video, make sure you go and check that out. But let me go show you the state of my car and how bad it is. Please don't judge me, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So this is currently the state of my car, and it's hard to tell on camera, but it is filthy. There's like crumbs and all sorts of stuff everywhere. Trash, my bag, receipts, like so gross. The seats are gross. The major problem is this. Someone decided to color inside their car seat. And like behind the car seats, everything is just disgusting. So we're gonna take everything out and get it as clean as I can possibly make it.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting.
So we are just cleaning the mats. I'm just spraying it down with a little bit of Lysol and just scrubbing it with a scrub brush and getting everything nice and clean.
You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. Show me your love like it is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. and the makeup, I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up, I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high, you're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Ooh. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
All right, so we are looking better. Let me turn you around here. The seats are clean. The floor is somewhat clean. I have to get like in that corner I'm gonna bring out the Dyson vacuum and maybe I can get a little bit in there better. Same with along like the line here, but it is so much better. The front, same thing. Everything is looking so much better. I'm gonna go through that center console, but everything is wiped down. Now I just have to go through the back and clean out the cup holders and stuff and put Austin's seat back there because I'm gonna leave this seat for Brendan and have the middle down, and Austin can pop out from the back. Alright, so I came inside. The car is pretty much done and cleaned. Now I'm just going to pack some stuff for everybody to just have kind of in the back. Just nothing major, just like an extra pair of clothes, pair of underwear, pair of socks. I don't think we'll need it, but you never know. So, my goodness, I think my allergies turned into like a little cold, and I've heard everybody is saying the same thing, like that their allergies turned into a little cold. So, and I've already had a cold, so I don't know what's up with that. But, I digress. I am just going to pack some random things. I don't care what it is. It's obviously summertime, so I'm gonna pack some summer clothes and then put them in the bag, and then I'm gonna grab like paper towels. I am going to grab let's see what else. Paper towels, some wet wipes, things like that, and then that would be it. I'm just trying to find stuff for Austin because he doesn't have many summer clothes that I want to like take away, you know what I mean? Like, and have it just sitting in the car for no good reason. And then, let's see, what else? Paper towels, like I said. I don't know what else yet. Wipes, just some random stuff, like I said, for everybody. So let's go pack that. This is the little trunk organizer that I got that I showed you guys in the last video. So I have some Lysol wipes, I have some tissues and hand sanitizer. I have a change of clothes for each of the kids, a bag of masks, an umbrella. And over here I have some butt wipes and some regular baby wipes, some antibacterial hand wipes, and sunscreen and bug spray.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
This stuff is the absolute coolest stuff. So you literally just do this everywhere and it just picks all those little pieces of dust and lint up. It is so cool. I'm actually gonna keep this in the car so that way, and I'm also gonna stop and get a smaller duster at the dollar store so that way I can keep it, because I only have a big one, and I can keep it in my car along with a couple of dusters, so that way when I'm sitting at like car pickup and all of that, I can be cleaning the car. This thing is so cool. It's the simple things. The simple things that I love and enjoy. But this thing is so cool. It collects everything. The last thing that I have, don't mind me, I'm like a sweaty mess, it is so humid out, is this little clip for your vent, and you can put essential oils in it, because I don't like to use any of like those Febreze things or anything like that in my car, which actually the dusters that I bought, because I usually don't use dusters, had Febreze in them, so that's okay. But so now I just put some orange and I put this right in my clip, that right into my vent. And then I just keep this in my car. In the winter, I don't, because I don't want it to break, but with the cold. But so now I just have that there, and everything is done. I have to clean the fingerprints off the glass, but that's it. Everything else is so nice and clean. I am so excited. This is all cleaned out. It's just extra sunglasses, some Lysol wipes, some hand sanitizer, and that jelly stuff. And all in the back, and all of that. So, the last thing I need to do is just get a car wash, but I'm actually not going to do that today because the pollen is just still so bad here. So there's really no point to get a car wash when my car is just going to be covered in pollen anyway. But I hosed down my whole car and I sprayed some cleaner on my wheels and then washed that all off. But other than that, that was it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I used will be linked down below, so that way you can find it. It was wicked inexpensive. There was nothing, I didn't buy anything major for it, just a few things to organize it with. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!